Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Claude AI to learn a new skill faster. If you're using Claude AI and you want to learn a new skill as faster as you want or in some time, so let's see how can you use Claude AI for this purpose. You just have to simply open your browser and here you have to create a simple prompt. So the very first thing and the basic line you can add is I want to learn. So it will tell to Claude that you want to learn something, then you have to enter the topic or what the thing you want to learn, and then you have to enter your experience. So I have written there beginner to intermediate, and then you have to enter your time in a week. So you have to ask to access my current level, create roadmap, and explain why each topic matters. So in this section, you can enter your own requirements you want to make in your time or in your path here or in your goal here. Once you have done, it will ask you some questions, or if you are trying to learning something, so it will ask you for your experience. So I have written here that I have no experience with Python, so I'm gonna send it. So I have written in my prompt that I want to learn Python. So in Python, I have no experience. I asked to Claude AI, so it have asked me how much time you can realistically put in a week. So I have asked or I have told that I can spend almost 5 to 8 hours. So it's then asked me what's pulling you toward Python or what do you want to build or do with Python. So I have told that I want to make web development or I want to create webs. So it has given me a simple and smart plan that what I have to do in my 8 weeks. So you can see in my first week, I have to learn syntax, variables, and data types or basic IO. So here I have a smart description for this. If you want to get this topic using Claude, so you can also say that give me the scores or help me with this. So you can also ask or try to ask this. And after all, I have said that I want to create a PDF file for me or for this. So it has created. I can easily download it from here. And once the file has been downloaded, I can open it in my browser or I can also share this file with other guys. So in this way, you can easily learn any new skill using Claude AI. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.